Have you ever been frustrated with the limitations of traditional survey tools? If so, you're not alone. Many people find that traditional survey tools are clunky, difficult to use, and don't provide the flexibility they need to gather the data they want. In today's world, data is more important than ever. Businesses, organizations, and individuals all need to collect and analyze data to make informed decisions. Surveys are a great way to gather data, but they can be challenging to create and manage. Thesis. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Smartsheet for surveys. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can be used to create and manage surveys of all sizes. It's easy to use, flexible, and provides a wide range of features that make it a great choice for survey creation. Benefits of using Smartsheet for surveys. Easy to use. Smartsheet's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create and manage surveys. You can simply drag and drop questions, answers, and other elements onto your sheet. Flexible. Smartsheet provides a wide range of features that can be used to customize your surveys. You can add images, videos, and other media to your surveys. You can also create conditional logic to show or hide questions based on the respondent's answers. Powerful. Smartsheet provides a powerful set of tools for analyzing and reporting your survey data. You can create charts, graphs, and tables to visualize your data. You can also export your data to Excel or other formats. Scalable. Smartsheet can handle surveys of any size. You can use it to collect data from a small group of people or from a large population. How to use Smartsheet for surveys. Create a new sheet. Add a new tab to your sheet. Name your tab Survey. Add a new column to your tab. Name your column Question. Add a new row to your tab. Enter your first question in the question column. Add new columns to your tab for each answer option. Name your answer columns. Enter your answer options in the answer columns. Add a new row to your tab for each question. Repeat steps 7 to 10 until you have added all of your questions and answer options. Add a new column to your tab. Name your column Response. Add a new row to your tab. Enter your first response in the Response column. Add new rows to your tab for each response. Repeat steps 15 to 17 until you have added all of your responses. Use the conditional formatting feature to highlight responses based on certain criteria. Use the pivot tables feature to create summary tables of your data. Use the charts feature to create charts of your data. Additional tips. Use a clear and concise question wording. Use a variety of question types such as multiple choice, short answer, and Likert scale questions. Use conditional logic to show or hide questions based on the respondent's answers. Use images and videos to make your surveys more engaging. Use a clear and consistent layout. Use a professional theme. Promote your survey to your target audience. Analyze your survey data and report your findings. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can be used to create and manage surveys of all sizes. It's easy to use, flexible, and provides a wide range of features that make it a great choice for survey creation. If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use survey tool, I highly recommend Smartsheet. You can sign up for a free trial of Smartsheet today. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use Smartsheet.